Hey everyone, I'm Run from Let's Upgrade, and today we have Preetish sir with us. He's our full stack trainer at Let's Upgrade.
Thank you for having me here.
So, coming to my first question, what is your teaching methodology?
So I want you to think me as one of your batchmates, friends, and or anything. You can just be as chill. I am very chill person. I am not strict like that. So you can be as chill as you can. Keep on interacting. Just let me know if you have any doubts or anything. Just be as interactive, and all your doubts will be clear. So basically, that is one of the thing I used to follow in my teaching.
What is the curriculum of Let's Upgrade 6 months of full stack program? And what are the tools do you use?
So basically, the things that I am teaching you, I am covering HTML, CSS, and your web development and the design thing. As per my skills, I teach the UI UX designing. So basically, I will be teaching you how to plan before the coding. So basically, I will not teach you directly. I will not tell you to directly move in the code. Plan the things, plan what you are building, for whom you are building. You need to plan and know the things first, and then high level diagram. Then I will be teaching you how to use the tools like XD or Figma to develop different mock design or prototype design, and then move to the coding part.
Yeah, usually students have the knowledge, but they don't know what is the plan or what the roadmap should be. So it is good that you are planning out all the curriculum as per that manner, which is great. So it will be great if you can tell me about your background.
If you ask me when I started coding, and I was into coding and designing when I was in class 8.
Oh.
In my class 11th, I joined I took my first internship, design and development internship at class 11. So from class 11, I started working in different startups. I started building their prototypes for them. I have currently, I have clients from USA, from Germany.
Sir, coming to my next question, what motivated you to become a trainer?
So basically, my initial motivation, previously I was into full coding. When I moved, I was attending a workshop at IIT Delhi during my BTech first year. I was facing a lot of gap between the teacher and students. There was a lot of gap, and the doubts weren't cleared. But when I attended that workshop, I was a huge fan of it. His name is Mahesh Rakeja. He's one of the top ethical hacker here. So basically, I got inspired from him for teaching, and how to interact with people, how he interacted with people, how he create a surrounding or environment
That
so
inspired
that
you, the way he was handling all the people.
That generated the spark.
Wow, that is actually a cool story behind how did it motivated you to become a trainer. That's really great. So, how does it feel to nurture a student who was a newbie or a beginner programmer to a job-ready programmer?
It always feels great, for a teacher. I have students from right now in Microsoft. I have students working in Amazon, and it always makes you proud. Like you have your students doing such great things in their life and building such good products. It always feels good, and that also motivates me to train more people and build such more talents so that you can be like or more than them and do something great in your life. So that's the thing that motivates also me.
Sir, if a student comes with a doubt, how do you tackle that situation?
So first I ask them, you can just write in the chat, or if after the class you are facing any issues in the classes, you can just DM me on WhatsApp, or you can DM me on LinkedIn, and I'm always there to help you with the queries to resolve.
And this is the very reason why we have one-to-one mentorship each week, so that a student can directly contact you and have a proper session with you. Sir, before ending this video, do you have any advices for our viewers?
I always have one advice: keep your mind open as possible. Keep on accepting things and learning things as more as you can, and keep on practicing the things. Only learning won't help you the things.
Yeah.
Because if you could ask me about let it be coding, let it be designing, or let it be anything, or only learning will not help you out in solving the problems. And if you keep on implementing, you will be coming after a lot of bugs, lot of issues, and this also builds your bug resolving ability and throughout the in development of the career. So this is one of the advice I will always tell to my students. So keep learning and keep practicing.
That is an amazing tip before ending this video. And sir, thank you for your time. It was a great interview and you answered the questions very well. So I am pretty sure students will be inspired with these answers and they will be ready to learn from you.
Thank you, Rohan. Thank you for letting me to speak on this.